Downtown, I got that heat, let's go.
What's going on, people? Mr. Catwoman here, the MC and MCLOCS in life, back again with another video. And in today's video, it's been, this is a fresh retwist video. So technically it's been 2 weeks since the last retwist, no, since my monthly update, which technically means that was 32 weeks, this is 34 weeks. So that means I'm at 8.5 months. And not too much has changed from my last video. I think the hair is a little bit more flowy. So with the retwist, I actually tried out the Jata Loc-N-Curl, gel for my hair, and so far, so good. It feels really good. I actually use it in conjunction with Damien Walter's Loc-N-Curl spray also. But what I like about it is it's better than a Taiwanese because it doesn't make my hair like super tight. Like this particular lock always looked like, or always felt like it was going to snap after getting a retwist. And as a matter of fact, it doesn't feel like that. It feels really flowy. So as you can see, it comes up and it drops. So yeah, so this is what the hair looks like. Got some before and after pictures at the end, but you know what, I'll give you guys a 360 real quick. But yeah, look, here's the top right here going on here. And then there's one side. Check out that length that's coming in. My length is showing more because I feel it's because of the new Loc-N-Gel. Also check out the back. Back's coming along really well. It feels really good. I think it's almost fully locked except for the ends. Oh, that's my whole head actually. My ends are not like that, but here's the other side. As you can tell, the length that's coming out here, it's coming down and it's actually falling more. So yeah, that's my update on the Jata Loc-N-Curl. Say Loc-N-Gel, my bad, it's not Loc-N-Curl, Loc-N-Gel. And you guys can find it at the House of Jata. As a matter of fact, I'll have a link down below to the website where people can buy it. So far, it's a major go to use. My hair, like I said, my hair feels more fluffy. It feels like it's been a week and a half since I got my locks done. And that's when I usually like my locks, is at that point, because it feels soft and it feels flowy. And usually with the Taiwanese, it's like, it's tight. It doesn't want to move, you know. I could literally move my hair like this and it would literally stay back, slick back, you know. But so far, this is what I got going on. But yeah, stay tuned to the end. I do have some pictures, more detailed pictures, where you guys can pause the video and check out the status of my locks. Also, the thing that surprised me is the smell on the smell. It smells pretty good. I can't even think of what it smells like. Like a mix of honey and Vaseline. Or maybe I'm just old fashioned. I like that type of smells. I don't know. But yeah, it smells pretty good. But anyways, that's gonna be it for the video. I appreciate everyone watching, supporting the channel. I greatly appreciate it. Also, I guess we'll go ahead and head out. Now, as remember, if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscriber button. Also, if you want to leave a comment down below. Also, leave a comment better than hitting the like button. And when you leave a comment, put down the hashtag Pinky Squad, and I'll respond with the hashtags Pinkies out. Also, subscribe and hit that notification bell button because I will be doing more updates on this gel and possibly other products as well moving forward. So yeah, anyways, that's gonna be it. Thanks everybody for watching. Once again, Pinkies out, people. Pinkies out. Peace.
Downtown, I got that heat, let's go.